Hey guys, in this video tutorial we are going to be covering RxJava and how it can be used for reactive programming in Java. First, let's talk about what reactive programming is. Reactive programming is an event-driven programming paradigm that allows for data streams to be handled in a non-blocking manner. This means that we can perform operations on streams of data as they become available. RxJava is a Java implementation of the ReactiveX framework, which is a collection of libraries for reactive programming in multiple programming languages. RxJava provides various operators that can be used to manipulate data streams, such as map, filter, zip, and many more. To get started with RxJava, we first need to add it as a dependency to our project. Let's add this to our Maven POM small file. Next, let's create an observable. An observable is a data stream that can emit an arbitrary number of items over time. Here's an example. We can also create an observable from a collection, or an iterable using the fromIterable operator, like so. Now that we have an observable, we can subscribe to it and define what will happen to the items emitted by the observable. We can do this using the subscribe operator, like so. This will output each number emitted by the observable to the console. We can also chain operators together to perform more complex operations on our data stream. Let's say we want to filter out only even numbers from our stream. We can do this using the filter operator, like so. This will output only even numbers 2 and 4 to the console. RxJava provides many other operators that can be used to manipulate data streams in various ways. I recommend checking out their documentation for a complete list of available operators. That's it for this video tutorial. I hope you found this introduction to RxJava and reactive programming useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching and happy coding.